Why solar power maintenance is important? Efficiency. Regular maintenance ensures that your solar panels operate at peak efficiency. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate on the panels, reducing their ability to absorb sunlight and generate electricity. Regular cleaning and maintenance help to maximize energy production. Longevity. Proper maintenance can extend the lifespan of your solar panels. By identifying and addressing issues early, such as loose connections, you can prevent more significant problems that could lead to costly repairs and premature system failure. Safety. Faulty or poorly maintained solar panels can create safety hazards, such as electrical fires due to damaged wiring or connections. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure safe operation. Warranty compliance. Many solar panel manufacturers require regular maintenance to maintain the warranty coverage. Failure to follow maintenance guidelines could render your warranty useless, leaving you responsible for any repair or replacement cost. For more details, call us or visit our website.